Yeah, my internet keeps going out over here. I don't understand it. Oh, I wonder if I should turn off the Wi-Fi when I'm here. It's showing 5G though, so I don't know. Peaceful. It is, isn't it? It's very peaceful. I took a video this morning when I took Daisy out for a walk, you guys. I'm going to show it to you later. It's just going to be a short, but it was so peaceful and calming this morning. I wanted to just stay there. I need my water. Stitching it up, capturing country life. Bye, everyone. Bye, girl. Thanks for being here. Everybody check out her channel. And don't forget about trivia on Thursday. You know how much I love trivia. I'm going to set you down because I have to get my water. I'm going to set you right here. Oh, there's a really nice yacht coming. Wait till you see the yacht coming, you guys. Woohoo, it's beautiful. Hi, Tandra. Thanks for being here. Look, you guys. See, jet skis, parasailing, beautiful yachts. You see it all. Wait till you see this beautiful yacht coming right now. It is amazing. It is, Sandra, it is. It really is. It's beautiful. All right, watch this yacht. I'm going to give you up close. I'm just getting my water. Hold on. It's all full of sand. All right, here it comes. You ready? I'm gonna try to hold it steady so you could see this. This yacht is beautiful. I mean, boats are beautiful. They're all nice, but look, I love these big yachts like this. Look at this thing. Yes, yes, this is winter in South Florida. It's beautiful in winter down here. That's why we have snowbirds. You don't see snowbirds flocking to the north in the winter. Yes, this is South Florida. Can you appreciate this monster of a yacht, you guys? Look at this thing. Look at the windows downstairs. I mean, look at how big. Oh, it's just, I would love to just take a tour on a yacht like that. If you can appreciate how big it is, it's really, really big. It's so pretty.